In this video, the ABBYY Timeline Task Mining module will be presented. This is a timeline project containing a series of logs collected from various users' desktops with the ABBYY Timeline Task Mining recording service. 6 logs were uploaded from the recording service, and information about the uploaded logs can be reviewed. Note that you have an option here to download logs. By manually defining the events that start and end tasks, task samples were created. Let's review the interface where this definition is executed. This is the task definition editor. 6 logs were uploaded from the recording service, and they can be separately reviewed, and tasks can be defined in each of them. In the left column, you can see the timestamp and name of the forms, which are, as we recall, a combination of some users' actions in the same application. The icon shows you what this application is, and by hovering over this icon, you can see the name of the application involved. In the right part of the screen, form properties are shown. You see here the number of similar forms in the log. You can edit the name of the form, as well as the application involved. If you rename the form or application here, the name of all similar forms or applications in the uploaded logs will also be changed. You can also see screenshots of the chosen form and in which tasks this form was used. In the upper right-hand corner, you see the Discover Task option. Here you can see all the recorded actions depicted in 2 levels, application and form levels, accompanied by screenshots. And you can specify forms and create a task out of those forms. Note the eye-shaped icon near the end of the form and application. By clicking on this icon, that form-application combination is ignored. When you ignore a form or application, all the same forms and applications in all uploaded logs will be ignored. That is to say, excluded from further analysis. You can see ignored forms and applications by clicking on this icon. By double-clicking on the button near the form, the control level of the form can be opened. If in the log there is more than one instance of the same form, you can review all instances. You can look through the events of this form, get the information about event name, timestamp, event value, if there is any, type of control, for example, window or button, and event type action, for example, invoke, focus window, or change element. You can see the screenshot that corresponds to this event. Also, you can set the ignore type to any of the events. In this case, the selected event will be excluded from further analysis.